Grandma's Birthday. June 6, 2020 by Anna von Reitz. I was born on D-Day. June 6. Go figure. God does have a great sense of humor. Of course, I would have to be born on D-Day. It makes perfect sense, given everything else. That said, it has never been exactly a happy day. How could it be? A day that marks the largest and most bloody amphibious landing in history isn't well suited to silly hats and cake. No, more sober thoughts have always been my lot, and this upcoming anniversary of my first public appearance will be no exception. So no surprises, either, that all cash gifts on my birthday this year go to bankroll our new Peacekeeping Task Force and its activities to evaluate, train, and coordinate our civilian peacekeeping forces, our constitutional sheriffs, our State Assembly Militias, and our Continental Marshals. If you have been thinking more seriously about the need for competent, lawful, and properly organized protection for your community and family, and you certainly should be after the past 2 months, and if you are facing up to the fact that we need to protect ourselves, then please donate on June 6 and make Grandma smile. I will interpret every donation made to our Peacekeeping Task Force as the best, and all things considered, most appropriate, birthday present ever. Send your pennies and prayers via PayPal or snail mail. PayPal, ivanavon@gmail.com. Mail, Anna Maria Riesinger C.O. Box 520994 Big Lake, Alaska, 99652.